Welcome to the channel. Today, we'll walk you through a seamless process for sharing invoices using the VIKN Books web app and VIKN Books Pro mobile app. Let's start with sending an invoice via WhatsApp on the VIKN Books web app. Begin by opening VIKN Books and accessing the sales invoice you wish to share. Once the invoice is open, you'll notice the Share button at the top of the page. Click on it. After clicking the Share button, the WhatsApp option will appear. Select it, and a new tab will open, allowing you to share the invoice directly through WhatsApp. To streamline this process further, you can share the invoice directly with the customer without searching for their name on WhatsApp. Here's how. Navigate to the left side menu and select the Contacts option. Click on the Create New button to add a new customer by providing essential details such as name and work phone, then save. Return to any sales invoice, select the invoice, and click the Edit button at the top. Under Select Customer, click into the button, type the name of the customer you created, and select it. Save the changes. Now, when you open the sales invoice, you'll see the customer you created. Click on the Share button, choose Open WhatsApp, and send the invoice directly to the customer's phone number without the need for manual searching. Moving on to the VIKN Books Pro mobile app, open the app, access the menu, and choose the sales invoice. Select any invoice, and at the top, you'll find the WhatsApp icon. Tap it to open WhatsApp for sharing. Similar to the web app, you can search and select a contact or, for direct sharing. Go to the menu, select Contacts, create a new customer by entering a name and work phone, and save. After creating the customer, go back to the sales invoice and select a sales invoice. Click the Edit button, under Select Customer. Click the customer and select Change Customer button. Type the name of the customer you created, and select it. Save the changes. Now, open the sales invoice, select the customer we created, click on the WhatsApp icon, and share the invoice directly. No need to search and select names. Thank you for watching.